Hello family and friends, welcome back to the channel. Luisito Scratching is back with another video with some fan mail from Pennsylvania. Thank you to my beautiful friend Babydoll. Yes, I sent some fan mail to her, so she sent me back $40. Actually, she sent me on February 25th and it's already April 10th, so I apologize Babydoll. I was in Ecuador and I just went to pick up the fan mail today. So we're gonna do your $40 versus some tickets that I got from Pennsylvania. So we're gonna play Babydoll versus Luisito. I have $40 too over here. So I have some more tickets. I've been holding these tickets for a few months. I hope they're still good. I have some more over here. So let me see if I can do a video with these other tickets. And I have some tickets from New York, and I have some tickets, the tickets from my beautiful friend 2020. I have some wins from Iowa, I haven't sent it back. I have some tickets from New York, and look at this 2020, look at this. I already went looking for my coins, my coin collection. There she goes. Thank you 2020. All the ladies on front. Miss Money, Texan Candy, Mrs. Amanda 2020. Then in the back we have Cash Cody, Fire Scratcher, Chasing Claimer over here. Get Rich or Die Scratching. We have New England Scratcher. This is the bag Spinny. I think he has another one. One of my first coins, GA Scratcher. One of my favorites, Sun City. Got the Lucky 22, BS Scratch King, and this was a gift from Mr. John from upstate New York. And we have the big jackpot gave me the chip. My good friend Scratching Fish, my personal scratcher, Scratching Links. We got some more from Miss Money. Well, that's my collection. I think I'm missing a few more, but that's what I got right now. I think we need another board because it's not enough space if I found more. Alright, so let's see how we do with this Pennsylvania tickets. So I got two of the same from the Babydoll. She had the Hamilton and the 50 or 100. I have the same ones. The other ones are different. So let's see. We're gonna start with this one. So let me push these coins a little bit. There we go. Good luck, Babydoll. I hope I can find you a jackpot. And the letter is beautiful. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Sorry for the long intro. And this game is a Machinobi game. Find the $500 burst to win 500. Find the 500 bill to win 500. So we have double chance to win 500. Ticket 54. So good luck, Babydoll. And thank you again. Gonna start scratching with the New York Scratcher coin. So winning numbers 14, 23, 20, 29, and 7. 30. Number 3. Number 1. Number 5. Number 6. 11. Number 10. 19. 21. 14. Match. I found my bell. 12. And 26. All right, let's see. $500 No, that's the gold bar. We didn't find the bill. Also, that was for the bonus. Okay, so let's see what we have on matching 14. Little zeros for 5. Okay, $5. So we start with a win for Babydoll. Alright, so we have the same ticket in Cali. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. We got Cali and PA with the power shots. Alright, let's start with this one. This game, we're only looking for the ball symbol. And that's it. If we find one, we can multiply. There we go. 2, 1, 26, 9, 13, 24, 22, 12, 6, 8, 27, and 15. Sorry, I forgot to put the ticket up. So I lost on mine. Alright, next ticket for Babydoll is boom for 2, 5, 10x. And matching up again. Can find the boom symbol, the 2x, 5x, 10x multipliers. All right. Anything over here? No. There we go. Let's see if we can find the boom. Nope. All right, 27, number 9, numero uno, number 1, we have number 2, 17, and 29, one off. Oh no, we got what, 29, right here. I was watching over here, look at that, back-to-back wins for Babydoll. Nice. Let's see what we have for Babydoll jackpot. Little zeros for another $5. All right, 2 wins back to back. So Babydoll is winning. Winner, chicken dinner. On the bonus, we need to find the nest. On the bottom part, we need to match numbers. If we find the chicken, it's 5 times. All right. Let's see if we can find the nest over here. And no bonus. All right, so nothing there. Like I said, I don't know if this ticket's still good. I bought these tickets when I went to Iowa in summertime last year. All right, winning numbers 18, 15, 12, and 20. 16, 11, 2, 25, 30, 17, 9, 6, 22, 28, 8, and 29. Loser. All right. So 2 down. Let's do this win for Babydoll, and then I'll do the 1,000, and then we can. All right, this one you can win up to $500,000. And the rules on this game: matching on the game. Find the win symbol to win $100. Reveal the win to win 100, win 200, and the win all symbol. Win is a win all symbol. All right, let's see. First time I'm scratching this ticket, so we got a couple of symbols. Let's see. We'll do some symbol hunting. See if we can find a win for the win all. Uno. 2, 14, 2, 17, and 13. All right, no symbols. Come on. 18, 28, 38. Number 12. We have a 13, 35. Number 10, 24, 27, and is a loser. Wow, I wanted to keep winning for Babydoll. Alright, so 2 winners, 1 loser. I'm gonna play the 1000 fully loaded. And the rules for this game: matching up the game, find the real symbol is an auto win. The loaded symbol wins $1,000. The win all symbol wins all 15 prizes. There we go. I won twice $1,000 on this ticket on the previous one, not this one. I used to have the bonus on top of the winning numbers. That was amazing. I went June to PA and I won. Went back in July and win again. All right, no symbols. 13, 26, 26, 32, 33, 11, number 8, and number 3. Wow, I have only losers. So if they're not good, so I'm not losing anything. All right, so let's do the 50 or 100. And this game, matching up again, you can find the star symbol as an auto win, find the 50 burst to win 50, find the $100 bill to win 100. All right, let's see if we can find any of those symbols. Come on, 100. Let's have some profit session for some profit for Babydoll. No. All right, 29. A lot of 20s, but not that one. 16. Nope. Number 7. 20. 10. 30. 21. 28. No. Last number. Number 4. That's Babydoll's lucky number. Number 4. We got 14 and 24. No. Come on. We got one more chance to send some profit session. Alright, so this one is Lucitos, ticket 46. Come on. Like Tesla would say, come on, baby. No. 13. No. 29, 27, 28, and 30. 25. We have a 24. Number 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19. Wow, come on. What is one winner? 15. And no. I'm getting no for Luisito. Alright, let's switch up scratchers. Let's scratch with 2020 scratch coin. Alright, this is the Hamiltons win up to $500,000. 10 prizes they have. Wow. Alright, this is a winning matching up a game. Find the 10x to win 10 times. $500 bill to win $500. Rebuild the save symbol to win all 15 prizes. Alright, there we go. 45, 20, 36, 37, 33, 3, 38, 17, 6, 11, 28, 22, 16, and 23. All right, no symbols. Number 12. We have 11. Here we go, 11. Match. The gambler's number comes through. 13. 38. Another match. One more match. That's money. I don't know if they do free tickets in PA. 2 matches. So we're gonna be really close. If he's 10-10, almost break even for Babydoll. 19 and number 7. All right, come on, be more than 10. Be more than 10. Number 11. Little zeros for 10. 38 for 10. $20 win. All right. So we come back to see how much we won already. This is my last chance to beat Babydoll. My ticket is ticket 49. Oh, look at that. Her ticket is 47. All right, let's go. 5, 40, 23, 19, 3, 13, 27, 7, 36, 17, 8, 16, 12, 18, 37. No symbols. Number 4. 3, 5, 26. No. 11. No, I don't have 11. 21. 34. And 29. Wow, Luisito went blank. No money for Luisito. So I did my 40 over here. See, there we go. All losers. Babydoll, we won 20. Zoom out a little more. 20 on the Hamilton. We won 5 on the Boom. We won 5 on Cash 500 money. And we lost on the win-win and the 50 or 100. So she sent me 40. We sending back 30. And we're gonna send some New Jersey tickets again to see if she win big now on this new, if I send some new tickets. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the long video, but I couldn't wait to do this. Thank you so much, Babydoll. If you don't know Babydoll, I'm gonna see if I can put her link on the description. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.